Hi everyone, this is Jim and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ito na nga, post ni Barbie Fortesa sa kanyang Instagram. Nagpunta nga siya sa Travel Time, Spa, Wellness, and Longevity. At hindi nga siya nagpunta doon sa Blue Water Day Spa ni David, no? Akala ko bibigyan siya ng GC. Ayan, post ng Vitamilk, time to load up with Barda. Ayan, congratulations to the lucky winners of the Rector's Club tickets to P77. At yun na nga, kasama nga si Elaine Hernandez. Thank you, Vitamilk Philippines, dear with Barbie, for second time watching P77. Pero, your performance really shined. Had a lot more realizations today than my first watch. So yun na nga, may signed photo card siya. At saka, popcorn. At screening guidelines. At yan na nga, nagpa-fansign naman to kay Maris Racal at Barbie Fortesa. In fairness, malit din pala si Maris Racal. At ito naman si Miss Barbie Fortesa with Rita Daniela. At nasa Instagram post ni Miss Barbie Fortesa, Carlitos Catering, more glam, more good food. Our Kadja sets and food trays were back in action behind the scenes at GMA Gala 2025, keeping the artists and their teams well fed through the chaos of prep day.
Maraming salamat po, Carlitos, dahil palagi nyo kaming binubusog kada GMA Gala. So, thank you so much, guys. Thank you.
Ayun na nga, so sa Hilton Hotel pala, nag-check-in si Miss Barbie Fortesa. At next naman ay post ng Sparkle GMA Artist Center, exclusive Barbie Fortesa shut down the GMA Gala 2025 red carpet with look that left everyone speechless. But wait till you hear her Tisgan the secret that pulled it all together.
Ganda yung sapatos ko ngayon. Oo, kasi kailangan medyo mataas para yung postura ng damit hindi masira. So yun ang aking ganda na tonight. Pero overall, I'm enjoying having a great time with my friends, with Kaylin, ganyan. Ayun. Thank you. Paint the town red. Hindi na tayo lalayo. Hindi na ako. I said what I said.
Ayun na nga ang ever supportive niyang BFF na si Kaylin Alcantara. At yan na nga, napaka-pretty si Miss Barbie Fortesa. At sino kaya tinitext niya? At yun na nga daw, napatingin din si David Licauco sa direction ni Barbie. Kaya hindi masyadong pinapansin ni Barbie dito sa interview na to. At si Kaylin ang pinapansin niya. Paano kasi puro ganyan lang naman si David? Wala namang ginagawa. At next post ng Creation Studios, pa-cute muna ang Team Noreen. Let's watch this. Ayun na nga, napaka-pretty si Miss Barbie Fortesa. At Japanese song yata ito si Polo Laurel, sorry. At ito, napaka-cute na si Sam. At ang laki-laki ng braso, grabe. Diba? Game na game sumaya. At next naman ay post ng Sparkle GMA Artist Center. It's a new era for Barbie Fortesa. Let's watch this.
Barbie Fortesa!
The one and only, ladies and gentlemen.
Welcome to the Sparkle Wall.
Hello!
Good evening.
Absolutely.
First and foremost, happy birthday.
Thank you. Maraming salamat. Thank you. Salamat. Thank you, girl. Thank you for coming to my premiere night.
Of course.
Hindi kami nagkita. Pasensya ka na.
Yung premiere night ni Barbie, she's so well loved by people in the network. And Barbie, sige, ito.
Si Rain Matienzo pala yun, guys.
Since ang tagal mo na rin, you grew up sa GMA, di ba?
16 years.
16 years in the network. Anything in those 16 years that has been very unforgettable to you?
Well, I'm just so grateful that I have a lot in mind right now. Pero off the top of my head, siguro yung showing ng aking pelikulang P77. There's a lot of milestones in that film. It's my first solo commercial film. Tapos in my favorite genre pa, alternative.
True, kaya sana yung mga hindi pa nakapanood ay panoorin na ang P77, guys.
Narrative horror, and it's still showing everyone. P77 is still showing in cinemas nationwide. Please do catch it. It's very terrifying, horrifying, and yet heartwarming. So please do catch it. Thank you.
Okay.
Barbie, you were thankful for that. Who are we supposed to thank for this amazing look?
Oh my God.
Do we have time? I would love to.
We have
You have
time
all
for
the time.
Barbie Fortesa. A very new look, Barbie.
Thank
Tell
you.
us about it.
Yeah, oo nga, dami nga nagsasabi. Parang hindi ito yung in-expect
True, hindi nga yan ang in-expect nating look kay Miss Barbie Fortes.
nilang look sa akin tonight. Kasi nga last year, naka-ball gown ako,
Yes,
diba?
pero
It's
Last
so
year's,
Barbie.
stage yun, the
Exactly.
white,
Yeah, the white ball gown.
This is
So for
the new
this year,
Barbie.
I am celebrating this new era of mine.
Wow.
As you know. This
Alam
new
natin
era is exciting, something new for me.
Through the Barbie Fortesa single era, finally after 7 years.
Everything is a first for me, and why not celebrate it in latex?
Yes.
Why not? And I have my team behind me, Team Barbie, Genre, my designer Aaron Montoya, Miss Tony Aveles for my makeup. My hair is done by Nanay Fatima, my fairy godmother. Thank you
Yes.
so much. All the idea came from them. They promised me I'm gonna enjoy the night, so they made sure and I'm comfortable enough to party.
Tama, more than anything enough, dapat comfortable siya para makagalaw siya at makapag-party, di ba?
Celebrate with my friends. Pero syempre, kailangan may impact pa rin. So, we chose Bordeaux for the color. A very bold color.
Beautiful.
I love it. Barbie, thank you so
you.
much. Anything else bukod sa P77 that you would like us to expect from the Barbie Forteza?
Beauty Empire is still showing on View and GMA Prime. Thank you so much. We have been #1 on View for 3 consecutive weeks
Wow.
now. And we also have been receiving good feedbacks for our GMA Prime airing. So thank you so much.
Thank you, Barbie. See you next
Thank you
time.
so much. For sure. I'll look for you.
Enjoy. We look forward to the new era.
You deserve
We
it.
look forward to the new era.
Thank you.
At nagsipost ng View Philippines, hala sila, bakit ang fresh? Let's watch that. Ay na nga, ang pretty mag-best friend na si Kylie, tsaka si Barbie Fortesa. O, di ba? Bigay ni todo si kay Lindy Sumay. At nagsama ni post ng Gemini Network, Barbie Fortesa shy type pala noon. Kapos Primetime Princess Barbie Fortesa at pabansang Ginoo David Licauco share what they learned about themselves since becoming a Kapuso artist in this #Kapuso quick question video. Let's watch this.
Kasi sa totoo lang mahihain ako, maniwala mat kahit sa hindi. So,
Ay na Kapuso quick question with Barda. What is the one thing you've learned about yourself since becoming a Kapuso artist?
Wow, one thing I learned about myself since becoming a kapuso is that
friendly pala ako. Kasi sa totoo lang mahihain ako, maniwala mat kahit sa hindi. So, parang nadadala ng pag
True, totoo ngang parang di ka panipaniwalang mahihain si Barbie, di ba?
maging kapuso ko na maging friendly to everyone, to greet everyone, diba? To smile at everyone. So, yun.
that you can reach any goal as long as you put your heart and your mind into it. It was never my dream, or no one really thought na I would become an actor. So, because of persistence and hard work, I'm here now. Of course, with the help of GMA, Sparkle, diba? So, yeah.
At ayun na nga, no comment tayo sa sinabi ni David Licauco. And lastly, after nga mag-Bicol ni David Licauco, ay dumiretso nga siya ng Siargao. At yun na nga, kasama niya nga si Jay Ortega. So, yung post ni Kenzie, mukha nag-chartered flight sila ni David. Kasi walang direct flight from Bicol going to Siargao. Ngayon, sabi nga ni David Fan, kung business daw talaga yung pinunta ni David Licauco sa Siargao, bakit niya pa daw hinintay umuwi si Alex bago siya pumunta ng Siargao? Kasi yung Airbnb business doon ay doon sa ate niya at saka sa mama niya. Sila yung mga nagmamayari at nagmamanage. So, usually wala siyang pakialam doon. Para lang yung Kuya Korea at Sobra Cafe, walang paki si James at saka si Jean kasi ang nagmamayari doon ay ang kuya nila. So, sabi nga ni David Fan, bakit kailangan magkita ni Alex at saka ni David pagkabalik ni Alex ng bansa? Kasi nga nag-Siargao si David, sigurado pupunta din daw sa Siargao si Alex. At ulitin ko, hindi po ako basher ng Barda. I'm just presenting the facts that we learned from our source. Kasi mas maganda po yung alam nyo yung totoong picture, alam nyo yung totoong nangyayari. Hindi yung invento tayo ng invento na nakakakilig kahit na hindi naman totoo. Kahit iba naman yung actions talaga ni Barbie at saka ni David, especially outside work. 'Di ba? Dahil hindi po tayo paasa sa wala. Kasi makakarma din po yung mga nagpapaasa na yan, yung nagsasabi ng mga kilig kwento na hindi naman totoo. So babalik at babalik din po sa kanila yan pag napatunayan na totoo talaga na may relasyon si Alex at saka si David. Anyway guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more Barda updates. See you in my next vlog. Bye!